Hello. Good day, my dear friends. How are you doing? This will be the first tutorial for the first class we'll be having in us for CMP104. Alright, quickly we start this tutorial. I will launch Microsoft Visual Studio 2012. It's already a button right on my taskbar. So I click on this, it launches Visual Studio 2000. This has been completed, it has been opened. This is Microsoft Visual Studio 2012, the Ultimate Edition from Microsoft Incorporation. Alright, as the case is, we want to start a new project for demonstration. So we shall go to File and click on a New Project. You could as well have come down to the shortcut here where we have the new project. So I click on this and it brings out a dialog box for me to select some options about my program I'm about to develop. Alright, for this program, especially for this program, I will ensure I stick to .NET Framework 2.0. Of course, we have .NET Framework 2.0 up to 4.5, but right now I'm interested in 2.0 because I'm not proposing a robust application. If you are planning for a robust application, then you can go for 4.5. Of course, it should be a requirement towards the installation of your software. So, but in order to get over the challenge of downloading .NET Framework 4.5 from the Microsoft website, I will make use of .NET Framework 2.0, which already comes with operating system, my Microsoft operating system by default. So I click on this and I click on a Windows Form application. On the name here, I will give my project a name. Of course, as that will be, I click on OK, and this will launch. It has launched a platform for me, which is the Integrated Development Environment for Visual Basic 2012. This is the IDE, the Integrated Development Environment for Visual Basic 2012. Yeah, we look at the part of Visual Basic 2012 IDE. One, we have the title bar, which carries the name of the application I'm developing and the name of the program I'm using. So the name of the application I'm developing is Wage Calculator, and I'm using Microsoft Visual Studio application. Yes, I have the menu bar containing the File menu, Edit menu, up to the Help menu. I have the standard toolbar, which is this. There is a standard toolbar is a shortcut to those commands I have inside the menu bar. Yeah, right here I have the toolbox. As you can see, once you click on it, it purges out the tools available in the Microsoft Visual Studio 2012. We shall be making use of these tools, or some of these tools, in a gradual step and lectures. This is the Windows Development Environment, or you call it the Windows Form Development Environment. Yeah, as you can see, this is called the Solution Explorer, which contains, it gives you a link in a tree format to all the forms you have in your application, including those pictures, icons, and other resources you are using for your application. It gives you easy access to those resources instead of you going through the Windows Explorer to get access to all those resources. Below it, we have the Properties panel. This displays properties for every part of the application we are developing, for every control that we select, for every part of the window or the form we select. These properties gives us the opportunity to manipulate the characteristics of the tools, which are called controls. Take note, tools here are called controls. So, and below here we have the error panel. In case of any error that is displayed or may be displayed in the course of you developing your application, those errors will be listed here so that it will be a kind of guide for you to identify errors and correct errors. Know when it is corrected, know when not it is corrected, know when to proceed, and know why, if your program doesn't run, if it doesn't debug, then it doesn't run rather, you should know why it doesn't run. So you can see those reasons right inside the error list panel. So with this, let's start our application. We are interested in developing a wage calculator application that will be able to calculate the wage. I haven't provided the number of hours worked by an employee and the hourly paid rates, and it will be able to give us the gross paid end for the employee.